I've been underslept, overworked, overstretched, I'm exhausted, but I got you.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. So today I do have an unboxing for you. iUNIK skincare reached out and sent me a PR package. I am really shocked. And this is a Korean skincare line. Now, I think that I have used something from their product line about a year ago. I know I have because this name sounds so familiar. There we go, iUNIK. So we are going to open this package together to see what they sent me. They've reached out to me on TikTok. And of course they sent me an email asking if they can send me some products, and I was like, of course, because girly is still into skincare, although I'm doing these business cards, my little side hustle, but you know, people are still reaching out, which is amazing. And so I'm just gonna do the unboxing today, but I'm gonna obviously come back and use the actual product. So it's nicely wrapped up. It is so nice when companies reach out and send you their product. And this is it's called Centella Calming Daily Sunwater. It's a serum, I think. Let me put the glasses on. I don't want to give you guys the wrong information. Okay, so this is a vegan product. Okay, it's called the Centella Calming Daily Sunwater with SPF 50. It is a lightweight water texture daily sun water formulated with centella leaf water and panthenol to soothe and hydrate the skin. After using basic skincare, apply evenly to the skin that can be exposed to UV rays while avoiding rubbing around the eyes. Shake well before use. So this is the packaging right here. Let me just open it up and see exactly what this product is. It just says daily sun water, but it might be just a serum, right? Lovely packaging. Anyway, thank you so much for sending this to me. This is what the product looks like. I am wearing a little bit of makeup today, so I don't want to put this on my skin. But let me just try to open this up. Ooh, there we go. We're just going to remove the top. Doesn't really have a scent. Oops. But first of all, they say to shake it before you use it, right? It's very lightweight. Doesn't have any scent to it. But of course, every time I have a new, it's getting a little thicker. Every time I am using a new skincare product, I always like to use it for a good maybe 10 or so days. Now let's just see. Okay, it's basically like water based. If you guys can see that. And again, it's not scented. It feels really light. Oh my God. And look at that. It just blends right into my skin. It's like my skin is saying, thank you for just feeding me some water or something. But like I said, I'm wearing makeup today. So I'm not going to put this on my face, but I'm going to definitely come back, guys, and do a proper review for you guys. This is just the unboxing today. And anyway, thank you so much for sending me this lovely little PR package. I sincerely appreciate it. The actual review for this product will be coming up in another video. So today is just the unboxing. I'm going to leave the details in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to buy one of these. But I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for sending this. And of course, I will be doing the proper content and all of the reels for this coming up in another video. Doodles.